Say hello. Hello, my baby Yana. My baby Yana is so pretty. And also Ate Malia. What are you wearing, Ate Malia? Princess. Are you princess? Cinderella. Wow, that's so pretty. Punta na kami na ng aming church. Today is a big day for baby Ayana. Look, my baby Ayana. She's such a pretty girl. Don't be cranky, okay? Don't be cranky. Where's the smile? Give them kisses. Where's the kisses? Show them. Where come on? Kisses. See, kiss. Where's the kiss? Kiss. Wow, that's so good. Pretty. Oh, that's my baby. Oh, see? Pretty Malia. Who did your hair? Ate Dam? Ate Dam? Ate Nicole? Ate Nicole. Oh, okay. That looks good. Aming bossing. Babe, look at here. Oh, good. Alcohol, bigyan mo pera sa papa mo kon. Ano sa bag? How much, babe?
106.
1?
106.
126 kon.
106.
106. Labasan na ng mga tao. Tamang-tama yung aming dating. Yung camera naka yung flashlight. Picture mo silang amat. You like it?
Saan po tayong alam niyo po, saan po kayo po pwesto?
Pinapagalitan.
Baby Yana, look at here. Putang ganda ko. Siyempre, sana ikaw din. Why she's pretty? Why she's beautiful?
I didn't recognize her.
Yeah. Wait, what's her? Yeah, I know. Long hair. Video. Yana, look at me. Like this, give them like this. Like this.
Pinaling ang pamilya sila at pagkabanan niya sa kanila, inulawalatin niya sila. Ano pa ang masasabi natin?
That has to with babies.
Whoa. Father, we're gonna put you water. Ate Malia, the princess. Cinderella.
Oo, lininong nina.
bata. Bro. They're blocking the way. They're blocking the way. They're blocking. I can't stand up. You can do. Get out of me. Oh, see, she's different. She didn't cry. She's nonchalant.
Oh, they didn't drown her. They just poured water on her head.
Shower? Are we quick shower? Huh?
No, no.
Oh, she's sleepy. It's wet. They did drown her.
They poured water on her head.
Okay. Diana, 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 Diana.
Nabiyasan bas. Nabiyasan bas.
Umiyak.
Please all stand. We shall now
Where's Auntie Chris? Beatrice?
No, she don't. No, no, no.
Oh, we should shake her dreads.
ang gamitan ng video yan ay kailangan ng pagsila.
You have to light up their candle, babe. Each.
Stop na po kami
Yung mga ginagawa video ay ibubuhat sa inyo.
Wala.
Sa pagbabaling ng Kristo na
Call. Ready, set, go.
Yeah.
Ready, set, go. Ready. Why you sad?
That's my face.
Ready, set, go.
Ayos na, mama.
Okay.
Okay, ayos. Eh,
Let's take a picture. Can you hold, mommy? Can you hold?
harap mo lang
Thank you
dito. Kahit natutulog, yan.
Yan.
Yan, okay. Okay, ready, yan. 1, 2. One more. Let's together with this person. Only. One.
Dad, Matthew, come here.
Okay.
Yes po, pa-doorbell po ng letter I. Wala po kami sa bahay po, pa-doorbell ng letter I.
Okay. Yan. O, yan. Ganda. Ready. Ready. 1. O, isa pa.
Oh,
Important day of our life when she's sleeping. Isa pa. 1.
wait lang. Sinuman. Huy! Oo. Turn around. Let me see. Ako yung aking bagong batos kay natulog man dahol kung kailan na yung picture yan, natulog ang bata. Okay, ganito na lang yung kanyang picture. Smile. Si Malya, ang cute ni Malya. Malya, ang cute ng damit mo. Oo nga princess. Pahawak mo yung balon sa kanya. No, ito yung madami. Tingnan mo. Malya. Pwede pa hawak mo sa kanya. Oh, hawak ka man. Grab everything. Grab it. Just hold it and take a picture. Wait. No, hold everything. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Babe, ganyan back up. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Pretty! Ganda. Natapos din yung aming ang aming pinakaiintay na kaganapan. Antay lang kami ng aming mga sundo. Kami lang. Ate Nico, lalili ka nga dito. Wala kang picture time 3. Dito ka. Smile ka na lang. Jeda. Halika. Picture. Dito ka, huwag ka mahiya. Smile. Kami yung huli, tayo yung huling lumabas ng simbahan Wala, tulong yung baby Ayana ko, walang magandang picture. Bye-bye, see you at home. Dito kami sa aming car.
I can't fit behind, Ben.
Ha?
I can't fit behind.
Why? Ala, babe, look. Tulog pa din ang bata, Thank you for watching.